In this tutorial, I'll show you how to insert an image into a Confluence page. By the end of this video, you'll know several easy ways to add images to your pages, making your documentation more engaging and easier to understand. First, open the Confluence page where you want to add an image and click Edit. Place your cursor where you'd like the image to appear. The quickest method is to simply drag and drop an image from your computer directly into the page. Confluence will automatically upload the file and place it where your cursor is positioned. You can also click the Insert button in the Editor toolbar and choose Image, Video or File. Browse your computer, select the image you want to upload and click Open. Confluence will insert the image into your page automatically. Another fast option is to type image or files anywhere on the page and select image, video or file from the menu. Then upload your image from your computer. Once the image has been added, click on it to resize it by dragging the corners. You can also adjust its alignment, add a caption, or move it to a different position on the page to fit your layout. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish or Update to save your changes. And that's how to insert an image into a Confluence page. Thanks for watching.